Time for Mongo. Give Suburban paint job. Yep, it's time. Suburban need paint. Need sandblast all this rust. Yep. Got homemade sandblaster. So first sandblast. Get rid of all rusties. Then we paint diamond plate. Then do Mongo camo. We make this all Mongo camo. It's good. You see. I'm gonna get rust off. I'll clean up. So this get Raptor coat. But we get Raptor liner. Kit normally come with 2 or 4. Kit come with 4 of these. Mongo use first 2 on floor and rockers. It worked good. So save these. Do on the diamond plate. So first, need to put hardener in there. So come with hardener. Need 8 floor ounces, fluid ounces. Cap stuck a little bit. There we go. Close up hardener. Get the coating. Say to add hardener to coating. Close it back up. And then we shake. 2-minute shake. Shaky, shaky, bakey, bakey. Instructions say wait 60 minutes or 1 hour before second coat, but need 5-7 day cure time. No problem. Okay, we shake like salt shaker for 2 minutes. Then we have just container. Pour this stuff in. They say it could be spray on or use roller, but Mongo find rollers suck. So Mongo use paintbrush. So brush on first, then use roller to get texture. Mongo found that work really good. So pour all this stuff in there. No sense saving. Got hardener in, so be sure to use all. So Mongo fine. Use brush. Go on decent thick. Pretty good. But then use roller to get texture. So first brush, then roller for texture. So we do this whole thing. Look nice. End up do windows, some mirrors, bumper. Very nice. Now need to paint body. Need to scuff up, then do Mongo camo. That next.